Alright YouTube, I'm doing a video today on my EDC, my everyday carry. I carry with me in a leather case, a Leatherman super tool, Condor wallet, pretty good. I've been beating the living out of it, works pretty good. Spartico flash sunglasses. Obviously my keys. Bushnell's flashlight. Amazing. This is my second one, but it was my fault. I unscrewed it. Well, first of all, to explain that, I ran it over with my truck, crushed this part right here, it bent it, and then I went to go and screw it, and I wind up taking out the wires inside here and destroying it. But it worked. This flashlight is phenomenal. It's got it's 210 lumens. It also goes to red for night vision, and it also has the lighting for like the blood tracing. I forget what the name of it is, but if you know what it is, name it in the comments. I carry back this focus up a little bit. A Glock 19, 9mm, 15 rounds. I use the push button so you can release it out. It's pretty good. Carry it every day. I carry a magazine on me, another 15 rounder. Timex watch Expedition has a little tiny compass on there. See if you can zoom into this. Focus. Come on, focus. Oh, can't really see it. Focus is not really working. It's Timex watch with a little compass on there. It's been pretty good. Smartphone, Samsung Galaxy, I think it's S3. Pretty good. Case, pretty good. Picked it up at Walmart. Got the, see if you can see that Poison number on there just in case I have little kids. Winchester knife. Oh, there it is. It's pretty good. Beating the living out of it. Works awesome. Power cord bracelet. Condor hat. It's been beaten. I got the headlamp for it from Duck Dynasty. I got this on sale for like $3. Got the patches on there, obviously. Oh, wrong way. USA flag on the back side. Don't tread on me. Doing it again the wrong way. Oh my god. Don't tread on me. And my EDC bag I carry every day. It's a Condor. Let me think. Sorry. Condor messenger bag. Back that up a little bit. Got my Pennsylvania State Militia patch on there. Temporary. I got an extra magazine on the side of it. You can see that. Let me see if I can zoom that back out a little bit. Hold on, give me 1 second. See here. Try to get this in frame. Looks kind of funky. Let me move this stuff out of here. Alright. We'll go to this first pocket right here. Found this. It's pretty good. It's Swiss Tech tools. Oh, you can see that. I don't know if I can get to the focus. Swiss Tech tool. It's a flashlight. Pull it out. It's a lantern. Roll of duct tape on a nail. Some cordage. Tickets to Knobles. Just never know. This thing, I don't know, I picked this up. It was on Facebook. It's like $2. Piece of junk. Ear protection for the gun when I go to the range, shooting with the militia. Chargeable batteries. This flashlight is pretty cool. I found this Bell and Hound extension. Okay, get it in frame. There we go. Pretty good light. It's got a magnet up front. It's got a magnet in the back. You stick it up on the hood. Use this multiple times underneath the hood. It's amazing. Pair of mechanics gloves. Got a pad. This is Dad all over the front of it. A little pen. This first pocket here. I don't know. On the outside is a pen. Extra flashlight. This is one's a little brighter. It's got, I think it's 400 lumens on high. There's a low, and then there's the flashing. Doesn't do SOS. MP3 player, headphones. This is wire. I have a crank to charge my cell phone. I don't have it in this bag. It's not enough room. Wiring for the MP3 player. Emergency space blanket. Tylenol. Hand sanitizer. Tissues. This is it was a keychain. I had my name on it. I sanded it off. It's I can't even think. Glows in the dark. Extra flashlight in here. Not that bright. Tweezers. Spark plug gapper. GI can opener. Things like that. Let's see. Allergy medications. Spare battery for the flashlight, the bigger one. Fork, knife, and spoon. Can opener. There's a knife on here. Chapstick. I just opened and got everywhere. Off. This is a screwdriver. The other end. Oh, gotta get in frame. Oh, you can see that. Screwdriver. Another screwdriver on the end of it. Constantly use this thing. The other end's in the other side of this. Fell. Kids sunblock. And you also use it for adults too. But I always have the kids with me, so gotta keep them protected. Pen, pencil, marker, toothpick. Metal toothpicks, never will break. Let's see here. I also have bandana. Off. A used cheapo poncho. Used that multiple times already. It's a pen. Stylus at the end just in case. Get my fingers all dirty and greasy. Don't want to touch the screen on my phone. Alright. Fix that later. Pretty much it from there. This pocket. Clip bar. Clean your cell phone / glasses cleaner. skull mask. GoPro camera, but that's not really, always stays in here. Extra pair of headphones, extra pair of earplugs that I borrowed from a buddy. Bottle of water. Where's the camera? Life straw. I don't know, I was messing around with this. This is one of those golf monoculars. Doesn't really work that good. Just in case, you never know. So you pour in your drink. In case flu season, feel crappy. You never know. Extra cell phone. This phone has, I think, 12 minutes on there. Just in case. Never know. Crack the screen on my smartphone, can't use it. Go back to the old school one. Also, if I don't have no minutes on it, I still can call 911 if I have to. Wipes for your hands, just in case. Tylenol for the kids. Super glue. Zippo. Some cordage on there. MP3 player. Doesn't really matter. I don't even know how you can cut in here. Swiss Army knife, like a basic Swiss Army knife. Pretty good. Sorry about that. This is a USB, has an LED light in the front of it. You can't even see it. I do have a battery pack that I charge my phone with, and also I can use this as another light source. It's pretty cool. And that's it for that pocket. There's a little side pouch over here I picked up. Pretty cool. If I have to take this off my belt, put this on my belt. I have, when I did the CPR class, I got the thing that covers over the face so you can give somebody you don't know CPR and stuff. Not CPR. Yeah, CPR. You know what? I forget what it's called. But it goes over their face so you can protect, you know, saliva and stuff like that, just in case I have to do CPR. That's there. I have that with me all the time. You just have that in the front pouch right there, tucked in there. Another Cliff Bar. Boo Boo kit, tiny one, just in case the kids, you never know. Another poncho, just in case. Another pair of headphones, just in case. Wiring to charge the GoPro, because I have a backup battery source. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Some extra wiring in here, that's pretty much it in here. That's really important. In this pocket, you can technically use this for concealed carry if you wanted to. Get the Velcro holster in here. I don't really use it, I just use it as just for spare. Add more gear to it. I have the Life straw that actually, here I'll show you. It goes inside in that water bottle I showed you before, slides up in there. Get it in frame, there you go, like that. You just dip the water bottle in there, grab whatever water, put this in there, drink whatever, it filters it out. I keep it out, because I'm just using tap water right now. But if I ever need it, I have it in the bag and just slip it in and just drink what I need to drink. What else is in here? I have a neck knife I keep with me, just in case. A little cheapo neck knife. Works pretty good, I don't know if you can see that. Nothing crazy. Excuse me, sorry about that. Alright, I got the military, I gotta start a fire, I forget what they're called. The fuel tablets that start on fire. else we got in here? Tic Tacs. Again, you know, something to snack on. Hot spots. In case it gets cold out. Warm your hands, feet. More of that. Piece of cordage. Another Bushnell's. Whoa. Sorry about that. On focus. It's not gonna focus for me. It's too close. Got a Bushnell's. I think it's 110 lumens. You could switch it to red. Oh, I think it only does red and the 110 lumens. Clips on your hat. Awesome. Another clip bar. That's it. And $1. Throw it in there. That's really it. It's what I carry on an everyday basis. The bags pretty much stays in the car. I really don't lug it around with me in stores. Kind of bulky and big, but you just never know. The other stuff I carry on me every day on my person. So that's my everyday carry. That's what I carry every day. Looks like a mess, but hey, you just never know. I mean, the Band-Aids alone. I was at a amusement park. Kid fell, tripped, busted up his knee. It was all he needed was a Band-Aid. Mother didn't have anything. I pulled the kid out real fast. You know, put the Band-Aid on the kid. You know, called it a day. Things like that, just your basic stuff. I mean, there's times that I went to amusement parks and things with the kids out in the park. Forgot to bring sunblock. I had sunblock in the bag. Just your basic stuff you just run into. Nothing really. So that's probably overboard, but I'd rather not have. I'd rather need it than not have it. You know how that goes. All right, YouTube. Want to keep this video short and have a nice day. Leave some comments below. Shoot me a like. Anything I need to take out, remove, any opinions, put them all down below at the comments. See you later, YouTube.